Hello, my name is Maria Elena Ortega, and today I'm going to tell to you about the sound we make when pronouncing a word and sentence in its correct form. For with example, when we use contraction, a normal sentence will be I am playing guitar in different pronouns like you are playing guitar, he is playing guitar. In Spanish, yo estoy tocando guitarra, tú estás tocando guitarra, él está tocando guitarra. If we use the contraction, it will be I'm playing guitar, you're playing guitar, she is playing guitar. It will be pronounced like this, I'm or you're. We also have the word to, which we could use in a sentence like this. For example, I go to the park. In Spanish, yo voy al parque. There are words that in English when pronounced and written are very similar like noun, know, and new. In a sentence, the word be like this. For example, I had a new dress. In Spanish, yo tengo un vestido nuevo. I do not know speak English. In Spanish, yo no sé hablar inglés. We go to the house now. In Spanish, yo voy a la casa ahora. These are words that we use frequently, but we must take into account. I jot my video just share you. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.